Copilot is available in JetBrains IDEs. Let me show you how it works. Let's start with code completion. If I write a comment or start writing a function, Copilot can step in and suggest code completion options for me. This suggestion looks good, so I can hit Tab to accept it. If I highlight text, this Copilot chat icon will appear. If I click it, Inline chat will open. I can ask questions and make specific requests like writing a descriptive comment. I can copy the output or insert it right at the cursor. There's also this Copilot chat tool window. In Ask mode, I can ask questions about my codebase. Here I'm adding files for context, which Copilot will use when responding. I can write a question and use / commands like /explain to make common tasks easier. I can select my favorite AI model for this task and send the request. I can also use the app project context, which will provide my entire codebase to Copilot, which is super helpful when I'm searching for certain functionality without knowing the codebase too well. Now let me swap to edit mode. In edit mode, Copilot will make changes directly to files from this chat window. I can add a prompt and then add a working set. These are the only files that Copilot is allowed to touch. I can look at the changes by clicking Files and it will open a diff. I can follow up with additional asks, and ultimately, when I'm ready, I can accept the changes. Finally, let's open a chat in agent mode. Now, agent mode allows Copilot to be more autonomous and work out which files should be edited. Agent mode in JetBrains IDEs also supports the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Let me ask what open issues there are in the repository. Copilot will understand to use the GitHub MCP server and to use the List Issues tool provided by it. Now let's ask Copilot to implement the first feature in the backlog. Copilot will outline each step it's taking, reading files, planning its work, and its output. It will ask for confirmation to run terminal commands to build and validate the output. And if there's an error, it will automatically keep working until the problem is solved. I can once again look through the changes, iterate on the output with additional prompts, and accept the changes once I'm happy with them, implementing my new feature. Have fun using Copilot and agent mode in JetBrains IDEs.